I'm so mad. This thing's so expensive, you guys. I really believe that it is a good thing to assess if whatever communication you put out into the world is kind, true, or helpful. And this review will at least be 2 of the 3. EcoFlow, you broke my heart. This is the EcoFlow Wave 2. It promises to be a portable air conditioner and heater that you can use to cool small spaces. I got it to use in my Frolic vintage camper, which is all of 10 feet long and 7 feet wide. A lot of that space is filled with like cabinets and closet. So it's not even like a true full square box of those dimensions. I'm so mad. This thing's so expensive, you guys. I think with sale and tax and everything, it came out to around $1,000. And what bums me out is I was going to get a traditional window unit and then figure out how to vent it out of the ceiling so I didn't have to cut into this beautiful amber birch, which would have been a couple $100, and it would have worked. It would have worked great. And I didn't, because I thought, oh, I can take this into my Acadia when I want to camp in that. And this has heat and it has a very small form factor and it can be charged. I can put a battery on it and it can be charged by the 200 watts of solar I have on the roof of my camper. If only it worked. I did get a couple of good sessions of cooling out of it. It never made it all the way down to 60, which I didn't really expect it to. That was expecting a little more than it's capable of delivering. But I also didn't expect it to be blowing out 80-degree hot air when it was set on air conditioning. That blows. Most recently, it has been throwing these errors saying that I needed to unplug it for 5 minutes and allow the system to reset. Hey, Bear's here. That's all right. Okay, we're back. So it doesn't work at all now. And what really bummed me out is when I contacted EcoFlow to tell them that I had a bunk unit, they said that I was going to have to pay for shipping it back. You? I mean, it's not just me saying this either. If you go into the EcoFlow groups on Reddit and Facebook, this issue is very common. There have even been a lot of reports, firmware updates bricking these units. And since they're out of warranty, EcoFlow won't honor that warranty and replace the units. So I really, really wanted it to work. I really wanted it to work. And hopefully that saves somebody else some trouble. I hope this surfaces when somebody goes looking for a review of this thing. EcoFlow has some work to do on this before it's really ready for public consumption. I would humbly suggest that they issue a recall instead of dealing with this like one-off reports and kind of pushing back when people are trying to return them. That's just not cool. Anyway, so EcoFlow Wave 2, no go. Sorry. Until next time, stay safe, stay wild, and wander often.